Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well during this tough times of COVID-19 and staying at your home, staying safe, staying positive from within as well. So this video is about creating a lookbook using a denim skirt. So a denim skirt, this denim skirt is not some skirt bought from any market or any mall or any store. This skirt is made by my old denims which were just kept away and not in use. So I'm using the same skirt and creating few looks, and without any delay, let's get started. That's it. These were few looks which I tried using my denim skirt, and I would try framing a video on how we can make this kind of denim skirt using our old denims shortly when this lockdown will get over, because I personally don't know stitching. So stay tuned for that, and yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, do like, do share, do comment, and thank you so much. See you soon into another video.